The Philippines in the 1940s. Life after the war. Part 5. The composite battalion of Philippine Scouts and U.S. Army marches in the funeral procession of the late President Manuel Rojas, Manila, 1948. The Zobel House, now occupied by the American Red Cross, Manila, 1946. The Tivoli Movie Theater in Manila, 1940s. At the Chinese concession of the Army Post Exchange, Fort McKinley, 1946. Surplus property is piled on the dock near Ordnance Subdepot No. 1, Manila, 1946. A typical business building at Nichols Air Base area, Manila, 1946. View of Luneta, 1940s. One of the houses constructed for the dependents of the McKinley Colony, Philippine Base Command, Manila, 1947. Members of the band play at the Gregory Terraces Officers Club, Manila, 1948. Sixth Aircraft Repair Unit Base at Puerto Princesa, Palawan, 1946. Quonset Hut Project for American Embassy Chancellery at Dewey Boulevard, 1947. President Elpidio Quirino signs documents after being sworn in as the second president of the Philippine Republic, following the sudden death of President Rojas, 1948. Interior view of the Manila Terminal Warehouse, 1946. The Transient General's Quarters of the Gregory Terrace, Manila, 1946. The entrance to the 10th General Hospital, Philippine Base Command, Fort McKinley, 1947. Altar of the U.S. Army Chapel, Philippine Ryukyu Command, Manila, 1947. Enlisted Men's Club located in Ponoc Hall, Baguio, 1947. The Base X Ordnance Depot Automotive Maintenance in Manila, 1946. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.